Okay, so who does not love a denim on denim look? I am totally here for it. So why not do a denim top haul? So here I am with all of my favorite denim tops that I shopped off Amazon, and you need to check these out as well because these are perfect, affordable from 700 to max 1200. Plus these are modest, chic yet stylish, literally timeless pieces that you need to have in your wardrobe collection. So what's the wait? Let's quickly get started. All of the products would be linked in the description box below. Do check that out because Amazon is having some sales going on right now, so you can grab them at great discounted prices than other e-commerce website, because the same pieces on other websites are expensive right now, so you need to grab them right away off Amazon. While on Amazon, you're surely going to be saving a lot of coins, so let's quickly get started. Okay, so the very first top is from the brand Sassafras. Oh my god, this is such a cute denim top to add in your collection. So basically it's a tube denim top with very beautiful denim flowers done on one side while it is elasticated on the back, which gives you a nice and supportive fit. Okay, so it does not slip down. While that's not just it, the best part is actually the flare. So on top you get a nice corset kind of fitted look, while it just flares right from the waist down into a peplum style. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's basically a button down top. All of the buttons are openable, very easy to get into it. Otherwise, you know, some of these kind of fitted denim tops are struggle to actually get into, but you can easily just slip inside this one. This is just it. This is just it. Just look at it. The fabric, so good. 10 on 10, 100% recommend. The size that I picked up was a medium. If you want, you can also check out other color variants in same denim style from the brand. So I would have all of the links down below, but this particular shade is just everything, and the price is another steal. The MRP of this denim top is 1699, while you can grab it for a whopping 679 rupees off Amazon. I kid you not, just look at it, just 169 rupees you need to pay for this top. I'm telling you, you need to grab it because it's available at 60% discount. You can also find it in denim white. If you like this shade, you can also opt for this. So that was the first top. Up next, I have a denim top from Levi's. Like so modest, so pretty, yet so classy. Like, you would fall in love with this. Firstly, the denim fabric is very lightweight. It's not like a heavy denim. It's a soft cotton denim fabric, V-neck design, and you have a very short fluttery cap sleeves to the pattern, and that is the kind of pattern you would get to it. So basically it's a crop denim top with zip on one side, so again it's easy to get into it. Plus this size is a medium, which I opted for myself, which is slightly loose for me from the sides. So yes, I think I can easily get into a small in this one. Again, so good. This one is available in different denim shades. Again, MRP is 2200 rupees, while I got it for just 989 rupees off Amazon. Plus the second shade is available for 823 rupees only. So definitely check it out. I would have all of the links below. Very beautiful and classy. There is another shade available in this one, which is like a light ice blue tone, so whichever you like. So good. From Levi's, I have another one which is in a zip and collared pattern. Now this one was for 2600 rupees, while I got it for just 1228. So definitely check it out. Again, a very beautiful and classy pattern. It's a crop denim top with zipper style, a silver zipper. Again, you have different shades to choose from. I would have all of the links. Now the only thing that I felt that for me, the armhole was quite deep, so you can obviously get it altered, while you also have a zip on one side, so it's very easy to get into the top. Again, very soft denim fabric. You can see it in the try on. I loved it. The size again that I picked was medium, slightly loose on me. That is the product on the model. They also have a dark darker indigo shade in the same. So that was my third pick. Post that is this top that I wore in Spain, and so many of you asked me from where I got it. This was from H&M, but bro, I saw the exact same style from Sassafras on Amazon and I was like, what? Because the style is exactly like it and it looks so good for like half of its price. So definitely check it out. This one is from H&M, while the one that I saw is from Sassafras. Like, look at it. It is just the same. You can see it in the try on as well. So beautiful. It has pockets on the chest, a nice deep V neckline, collared pattern, and a crop denim shirt. Looks so freaking pretty. I tell you, the long sleeves, the loose fitted crop pattern is just it. Wear it with any of your loose pants and shoes. Just so good. I style it with the same colored squats that I own, or I also like to style it with a different colored denim totally, or with the same exact color straight fit jeans. So this one is priced for just 719 rupees. You also have a lighter color variant in the same, so whichever grabs your attention, you can definitely grab it because it is just so cool, and just for 719 rupees, it's definitely a steal. Okay, so the next product is slightly expensive. I do not want it to fit in this haul, but it was so beautiful. I thought let's just show it as a +1 piece in this haul because it is just so pretty. This denim top is from the brand Miss Chase and it is so beautiful. Firstly, the fluttery sleeves. Oh my god, just damn hot, you know. It's that kind of piece. It's a complete button down piece. You have a series of button over here which are all openable to give you that snatched waist look, and that's not it. From the bottom it flares into a peplum style which just overall looks so flattering on any body type, and especially if you're having fair body type like mine, this is gonna look so damn good. The only con that I felt was that the neck is too deep, so you can completely opt to go just like that, or you can also wear a camisole inside to, you know, fix things up. But apart from that, I freaking loved it. This size is small for me. Definitely need a size up in this. It is expensive but just so worth it. The fabric quality insanely soft and good, rich fabric. This is priced at 1998 rupees. Originally it's for like 7,000 rupees or something, insanely labeled. Any which ways, the pattern is just so good. I'm just waiting for this to come back in stock, but if you're a size small, grab it. So those were all of the denim tops that I personally loved for a complete denim on denim look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I paired all of these with my Daniel Wellington watch and bracelet. I would also have their links mentioned down below. Definitely check it out. Overall, this denim top haul completely has my heart. I personally chose each piece by hand, and I know how much I loved the fabric, the build, and the quality. So you need to definitely try it out. I would have all of the product links mentioned in the description box below to check that out before they run out of stock. With that being said, it's a wrap for today's video. We shall meet soon in another one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.